Oh my God, I gotta show you this. This is mind changing. Forget the long intro. Let's get right into it. This is witchcraft, I'm sure of it. So this is our concept. We're going to be knitting with 2 strands exactly at the same time. So you're going to knit with your right hand, and then when you're ready for the other color, instead of dropping it, you can just go right on in and then just force that one through like this. And so you're technically knitting with 2 strands. So let me show you how this works. This is the exact same pattern. This is me dropping one yarn and then picking it up with the same hand and wrapping it. I'm way too tight. This adult size will not fit an adult. It's way too small. So the benefit of learning what I'm about to show you is evident within the stitch work itself. So tip number 1, put in the right hand the yarn that will be used most often. So for example, say you had cream, 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 and then the off color here, put this in your right hand because it's used more. If it's every other one, it won't matter so much. I've also been told online that if you decide that you want to put cream into your right hand, always knit with the cream in your right hand, and whatever color that you decided to do with your left, always keep that also as the left, because the stitch work looks slightly different because of that, so to be more consistent looking. So let's put the yarn in our right hand, and this is how I do it, and I will show you slowly. First of all, you're going to just grab up your pinky, and you're going to wrap around and come up on the inside of your hand. I will demonstrate several times so that you can follow along. Then you're just going to pull up and put your finger, your pointer finger, in between. If you want to hold it any other way, please be my friend to do that. Let's do it again. So just grab with your pinky and rotate and bring it up on the inside of your hand, and let your pointer be the one that will guide the yarn onto the knitting needle. Okay, last time. So wrap and on the inside and put like that. If you're a knitter and you've never crocheted before, put this into your hand as if you were a crocheter. So what you would like to do is just raise up your pinky and sneak the yarn in over top of the 3 fingers like this. Let this go in between the bend and your crease there. And just using your middle finger, your driving finger, and your thumb, just pinch onto these needles here. And therefore, they're in this formation. So let's go through this one again. So dropping it, raise up your pinky, slide under. Okay. Turn your hand over and using your driving finger and your thumb just to hold the work. And keep both of these 2 fingers free. So one final reset, so everything's out. So grab your yarn, so just wrap and come on the inside and over, and then grab this one like that. And so now let's begin to knit. With the white yarn first, or whatever color you decided, or whatever sequence, you just go on in and you use the white to wrap over. This is traditional English method, and you do that and you're gonna go up. So instead of dropping this yarn and then grabbing this one with this hand, you were just gonna go into the same stitch for a knit stitch, but you just literally use your finger, push up, and it will stay on, and you pull it through like that. So you're gonna go into the next one, wrap, and knit. And this one that you may not be used to, you're gonna go on in, and just use your finger just to push it up a little bit, and then just bring it through. You're pushing up just enough to provide the tension to stay on the needle. So you can go with the white, wrap, through. Going into this one, just kind of push up and through.